How to see who watched your story on Snapchat. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see who watched your story on Snapchat. First, open your Snapchat application in your mobile device. Go to your profile by tapping on your Bitmoji or the icon in the top left corner. Scroll down until you see the My Story section. Tap on it to view your story. Look for the eye icon to see who has checked out your story. When you tap on the eye icon, a list will pop up showing the names of people who viewed your story. If you want to know who viewed your story from another location, you can also tap on the eye icon next to your story. This will show you a separate list of viewers. So that is exactly how you can see who watched your story on Snapchat. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.